This is what I've been driving with, which is crazy. And this is what came in the mail.
4 videos, 27,000 views, 300 comments later, Avenidris is back, and we got a big problem that I need your help fixing. But first, we gotta address this comment, boy. 300 pounds 6'6", ain't no way you fit in an IS-F. Send some video proof to the email on screen, and I'll personally cash app you $10 in the next video. Let's get it.
All right, I'm back with another video here. We got some mail in today. This is actually a full intake air cleaner box. I'm gonna show you guys what's kind of going on with the car here and what we're gonna go through step by step in the video. So where my MAF sensor is, this box here is cracked. I only needed half of this box, but I ended up buying the entire thing because it's really hard to find. So I'm gonna show you guys how this is looking. This is causing a bunch of problems when I'm driving actually. So if you see or find yourself getting 99 miles on a half tank, like worth of range, you probably got a problem with the MAF sensor. Or if you see excessive, because again, you know, we tune these cars, we do a lot of things. So if you see that, or smell rather, that gasoline smell is just a little bit too much, it could be something going on here. All right, so I already took all of this apart, and I'm gonna pretty much show you what that part is looking like and compare it to this one, and I'll show you guys how to get it on. Let's go. All right. All right, so this is what we ordered, like I showed y'all. Unbelievable, yeah, unbelievable. Well, that's what happens when you order on eBay, right? So, this is how this shit came in, bro. Unfucking believable.
This is exactly the problem I was having, and I'm counting on y'all to tell me what to do.
I mean, I'm gonna install it, but this is literally the only piece that I needed. It's the only piece that's broken in my car. This part is perfectly fine, but here we are. That's gonna cause a problem. We'll see, we'll see. Anyways, I'll show you guys how I'm gonna remove this one. All you really need is a little flathead or scissors or something, because what we're gonna do to take this part out, we're pretty much just gonna pop this lock open, and I'm gonna unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna start out by taking this off, connector for the MAF sensor, comes off real easy. And I'm gonna show you guys how I try to fix this before I said, you know what, I'm about to just order a new part. That tube is cracked, dude. I ain't gonna hold you. That tube is cracked. Pretty much just pop this latch open. I just slid these rings off. So yeah, slide these 2 rings to the side. So I'm just trying to get this elbow out of the way. There we go. All right, so actually take this box off. Once you unclamp it, it should be pretty loose. And then lift and pull. This is what I've been working with. This is what I've been working with. So we can compare the two. This is what I've been driving with, which is crazy. And this is what came in the mail. For comparison's sake, this is Denso, this is Toyota. So who knows? I might just let this one rock. I'm gonna try to install it and see what happens. And ladies and gentlemen, here is where things got interesting. So this is how we've been rocking for now. I made sure to seal this as best as possible with self-fusing tape. There's no vacuum leaks or anything. There's no air coming out of here. I know for a fact, I could feel it. I already bought a brand new MAF sensor. This is the only thing that got me a little sus, is that this top part is a little bit messed up. And yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, we're missing a clip here too, but that's pretty much what we're dealing with. If anybody's selling just this part here, hit me up, and it can't be broken. Please don't send me no more broken shit. But anyways, that's the video for today. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna be posting next, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. Drop some comments down below if you have any video suggestions on things that you want to see with this IS-F. I was thinking of maybe going to the Lexus dealership and possibly seeing what we get for the trade-in value on this and checking out an RCF. So if you guys want to see that, comment down below and I'll make sure that we do that next time. Like, subscribe. It's been Idris here, and peace.